Hello, guys. Today is on 10th, the third month of the year, 2025. It's on a Monday. This is how the weekly chart looks like. The previously weekly chart looks like this. We had seen a huge sell-off, which could be termed as a small break into the market, as we have had several weeks of continuous bullishness. So, what is the trade plan for today? I decided on recording video ideas showing on the in the morning what I'm expecting, and by the end of the day what I'm expecting, or what happened and what I'm expecting for the next day. So this is on Monday. It's 7:13 a.m. I should have made this video earlier on. In the beginning of the week, last okay as we begin the week, I had a trade. This is my $5,000 account. I have two accounts, $5,000 account and a $25,000 account. I'm currently trying out the further next challenge. I had two trades, this one, and this one, and you can see that they are closed. I closed them at this position right here. They had gone much farther than that, about two times of that, but as we said, we trail our stops according to how it looks like. So I was trailing my stops according to the 5 minute chart and how it was looking like. In fact, it was also governed by the 15-minute chart. Once I saw this, I recognized this as a structure, minor structure formed during that time. Oops, sorry. This one right here. Let me just show you this. My mouse has a problem. I'm intending to rectify that over time. As you can see, we had a good push up from the 15-minute chart from last week. The day opened up around here. It was about that there. So market continued to push up, push up, push up, but then it broke structures. According to me, there's a high, a previous low high. Then we made a higher low. We broke that higher high, forming a higher high. We came back to test this lower low. We formed a higher high, but then we broke it, and that's why I got out. I was expecting continuation, and yeah, so that's why I got out. So today's plan, if we did continue, actually, this could have been a life-changing trade. So far, it wouldn't even be at drawdown; would still be floating some profit. But you see now, I've realized that it's not about holding trades. If you can see, actually here, I got this trade in. I went all the way up to this point. I didn't get out. It came back to the entry again. We went back up again. It came back to the entry. I didn't get out again. So I'm not planning to do this week. At this point, I was up like 5%. If I got in again right here, I would be again at 5%. So I would have probably passed the challenge by now. So yeah, that's what I mean. So instead, I'm managing these trades by looking at structures and how the structures are being formed on the 15-minute chart. When they get broken, I get out. I get in, I get out. That's the plan. But as you can see, I've not got out on one trade right here because I'm intending this to be held as a swing trade. Because even after all this, we tend to find the market moves up. So this is not a trade I'm planning to close. It's I got in with it was about 0.05. It's a good lot. It's currently at break even, and it's currently floating about $100. Let's see, 2 bucks. That's about, yeah, $89. That's close to 2%. As you can see, I'm down a certain percentage. I'm down about, that's that's close to 3%. It's okay. It's okay. Cause actually when the trades were running, I was up again to break even, but I didn't get out. So yeah, my bad. So again, like I said, we are here to look at today's trade plan. Today's trade plan, I want to be doing this every day where I have a pre-scheduled plan on what I want to do. So this is what I'm planning to do. Okay. I went back down to the H4, changed this into a trend line. Okay, not a bar chart, but a line chart where I marked out. let me remove these trade histories. I put those trade histories for you to see so that you can see the kind of trades that what I entered and how I closed them. So after I drew this, I marked out the levels on H4. These are the major levels. We go in at this level, the lowest level. So that's why I'm telling you that's a really good entry, and I'm not planning to close it anytime soon. Not until the market shows me that it has completely overturned the direction. So at this particular point, my plan is I'm waiting for the price to get back to this level, then I can buy it back again, looking to take profit once we get to this point or this point. I'll basically trade it. We can find that we trade it all the way up to the exit of this particular trade right here, which was the exit of my previous all previous trades. Okay, so we're looking to enter a trade once we hit this level and we show rejection. How I'm looking at it, okay, if we do break this level, I'm looking to enter this level down here. Beyond that, I will not be looking to buy again, since they will have broken this trend line rule. Where I'm looking at the H4 above the trend line, I should be looking to buy. Below the trend line, I should be looking to sell. Okay, it's really helpful when you're looking at the market that way. Another thing is when we have this huge movement back up to moving average. Uh, Well, I'll be looking for short buys as it's clearly stated according to how the market looks like. I just showed you the weekly. We are looking to continue buying. Okay. So anytime I get a signal that confluences with all what I'm looking for, I enter on a buy. Okay. So we get back to the candlestick to finish today's expectation and what I'm looking to do once what I'm looking to do and where I'm looking to enter at. So this is basically the account. I'll show you later on during the day what progress we have had today. Okay, so like I said, we are looking to enter at this level right here. Let me put this into a line graph. We can change this into line graph. Then we can draw those levels. And actually, this, yes, they're actually the same. There is that level which we are looking to enter, and it's a zone, mind you, so you can have it like that, so that you cannot miss out. Once you get to that point, you should take it as a zone, not just as a line. Okay, so we have these two zones which you are looking to enter. This one and this one. This is 30-day moving average. 30 moving average. So yeah, all right. So we get back to the 15-minute chart. Let's change this back to candlesticks. Yeah, looks like we actually hit that level and I didn't get it, which is, well, disappointing. Meaning we are already at that zone, so we should have a pending order since we have had this huge, okay, we have had this good, as you can see, it's a very good rejection. So we can look to have our pending orders at this point. Uh, we take our stop losses at 600 pips. That's what I decided on doing right there. We enter with a 0.04 because we are risking no more than 0.5% of the account. And this will be the target right there. This will be the target, giving us a 2.55% risk to reward ratio if that is we get to this level and we get entered. If we let it run, we can get it beyond that point. Okay, so targeting our first exit should be at this point. So let's just keep it like that. So this is where we're looking to be entered, and yeah, I'll make the pending order. After that, if you do get stopped out, I'll be looking to enter again down here. So, and that's the trade plan of today. We shall see what happens. We shall explain. Oh, and another thing, if it doesn't come down, retest that. As we have seen, we have another level right here above. So we shall be waiting for it to be broken. But then, since we are on ranging market, if you have to recognize what sort of market you are in. This is a kind of this is a ranging market. So I'm not looking to buy not until we are down here. But if you're looking to buy again, if we don't get entered, it's when we break these highs. That's when we should be looking to buy. So until then, we're not doing anything. So again, let's put in our pending order. I'll actually put it on this line right here because why not get the best entry? You know, most people are gonna make the entry over there. Actually, let's test that theory. I had this theory where you said like you see where you are intending to put your stop loss, put your entry right there because that is where most of the people are going to get stopped out. So put your entry right there. Let's try that out today. Okay, let's try that out. Who knows? Might work, might not work. Let's try that. So this was the initial entry point where I wanted to enter, and this is where I wanted to put my stop loss. So, like we said, why not try it out? All right, let's try it out. So we have the entry levels, entry prices. That's about wanted to be at 600 pips, and we're entering. Actually, since we have done that, let's yeah, let's do so. We shall be entering with a 0.05 for that reason. Okay, let's try this. We need to see characteristics. Uh, yeah, it is. So the entry prices, the stop loss level, and the entry point. Okay, so let's put that order in. So we are currently needing to put an order, new order. It's a buy limit since we are looking to be entered down there. Betting order, it's a buy limit. A lot size of 0.05 since now we have a better entry. We need the entry price. This is the entry price. Actually, this is really nice because this is one of those numbers. If you, I don't know if you ever had those numbers where you have like 2,900, you know, or that 3,000. Well, I don't remember those numbers what they really call them, but they have a significance. All those numbers that end with a 00 or 05, of yeah, that's 50. So yeah, I think they have a particular name. I don't remember their specific name, but they have a really beautiful meaning to them. Okay, this is where we were supposed to put our stop loss, but I had this guy talk about where you wanted to put your stop loss. Try and put your entry at that point, and then you shall say the magic, because the market usually tend to get the stop loss of everyone in the market. Okay, since this is where they would have put their stop loss, or where I would have put my stop loss. Let's try that out. Because I have these two entries, this one and this one right here. So it's kind of beats them both. So stop loss, it's right there. And we need to put our TP. Before, then we can drag them. That's what I like to do. I drag them to the car or correct stop loss that I want. Let's give it $25 or like we said, 600 bits, which actually pretty works out so good because we have given it right there. And then we put our TP right there. This is where I would like to get out of the trade. Yeah, that puts us about $80 in profit, which is good. It's a little bit about one point something percent. Yeah, close to 2%. That's good. So yeah, let's wait and see what happens. If we don't get triggered in, it's alright. We did first of all we followed our trade plan. It just didn't work out as we wanted it to. So have a nice day. I shall be updating you in the evening on what actually happened. So peace out and have a nice time. Oh, another thing that makes me really happy is given that I have a long term trade running, that even if I don't get you know triggered in, I still have a huge trade going on. The same thing as for the $25,000 account. So yeah, peace out.